Today's scenario required medication administration for Tanisha Johnson. The scenario presented is that it's March 7th and she needs to get her 8 a.m. medication. I ensure that my area is prepared to administer the medication. My hands are washed and I have my medication cup and the water that Tanisha will need to get her medication. That's all the information I have, meaning that I have to go to the medication book to see the details in terms of the medication. I will have to scoop around and search. There it is, Tanisha Johnson. This is a medication book, and it says that the medication she needs to get clonazepam at 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. In this case, it's March 7, and I'm going to be administering her 8 a.m. medication. I also have to get the count, the control book, and I will, just to save time, will look for Tanisha Johnson in the index, and I see that her information for this medication, clonazepam, 1 milligram, is on page 3. Page 3. There it is, page 3, clonazepam, and I'll put that down there for a while. Tanisha Johnson, clonazepam 1 milligram, and I'll put that there for a while. I'll unlock the medication box, and I will search for Tanisha Johnson's 8 a.m. medication. Tanisha Johnson. There it is. Clonazepam 1 milligram. And so I have the right medication in front of me. Now I am going to have to take the necessary step. Step 1, I'm going to have to compare the HCP order with the pharmacy label to ensure that I'm on the right track. So the HCP order says that she's supposed to be given Klonopin 1 milligram by mouth twice daily, 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Tanisha Johnson, clonazepam, IC Klonopin, take 1 tablet by mouth twice daily, 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. So that simply means I'm on the right track. I am now going to compare, in terms of step 2, the pharmacy label with what is written on the medication sheet. It says Tanisha Johnson here on the med sheet. She's supposed to be getting clonazepam, brand Klonopin. The strength is 1 milligram, the dose is 1 milligram, the amount is 1 tablet, and the route is by mouth, frequency twice daily, 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. The pharmacy label, Tanisha Johnson, clonazepam 1 milligram, IC Klonopin, take 1 tablet by mouth twice daily at 8 a.m. and at 4 p.m. Good. So that there completes the second check that I needed to do. I can now go ahead and I can prepare the medication for Tanisha. I'll just put this there for a while. I can prepare the medication for Tanisha. Just before I serve the medication, I want to make sure all is correct. I will now once again do my third check, which is to make sure that the pharmacy label and the medication sheet is in sync. Tanisha Johnson, clonazepam, 1 milligram, 1 milligram, the strength is 1 milligram, IC Klonopin, 1 tablet taken by mouth twice daily, 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Clonazepam, brand Klonopin, strength 1 milligram, dose 1 milligram, 1 tablet by, the route is by mouth, frequency twice daily, 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. So I have the right medication. I have completed my third check, and I hand the medication to Tanisha, observing for a swallow. I can ensure that I now do my, what you call, my silent check, just to make sure so now I can go ahead and I can document on the medication sheet. It's March 7, it's 8 a.m. I put my initial in the box, and then I sign my initial, my name, the medication sheet. Now I know, because I had pre-marked the count book, I move over to the count book, where I'm now going to document that I have given this medication. It's the date is March 7. YR, it's 8 a.m. and I'm giving this medication by mouth. I have 30 on hand. I gave 1. Now I have 29 left. I am going to put my name, and I have documented me giving the medications. I once again observe if there are any side effect. Nothing. I will now put away the medication, and I lock, I wash my hands, and I observe. March 7, 8 a.m.